Do you want to know how to create an account on Google? If yes, then continue watching this video. I'm going to tell you how you can create a Google account on your laptop or PC. Before making this video, I was doing some research and I found that we can have multiple Google accounts. But it is not necessary to make more than one Google account because you can use all of the Google products using only one Google account. Products like YouTube, Blogger, Google Map, Google Drive, etc. So without a delay, let's see how to create an account on Google. Open any browser on your laptop or PC and type google.com on the address bar and hit enter to reach the homepage of Google. So this is the Google homepage, and now look for the sign in button at the corner of the page and click on it. Now you are seeing a sign in page of Google. If you already have a Google account, you can just enter username and password here to log in. But if you don't have one and want to create an account with Google, just click on create account. Once you select this option, you will see 3 more options like this. Ask yourself why you need this account. If you want to use a new account for your business, your child, or for yourself. I will select the for myself option. Now you will see this page on your screen. We have to fill out this form. Type your name, then surname, and here is the option to create a unique username. Type a username and see whether it is available or not. As you can see, the username I tried to get is not available here because it is already taken by somebody else. Let me try something different and see, we are not getting any error now. That means it is available and we are good to go. Now enter a strong password here and then re-enter here to confirm. You can check this box to see the password you typed to prevent any spelling mistakes. Remember the username and the password we created that will be needed to sign in with the new Google account every time. You can save it to your browser in your personal computer, but don't do it on any public computer. Now click on the next. The new page will be in the front of you asking some personal details about you. Enter your mobile number here. That will help you recover your account if you forget your username or password in the future. If you don't want to add your number to your account, you can just keep it and add another email address, and the purpose is the same. Enter your birth date here. Then select the gender, click on the next, and you will see the privacy policy page of Google that you will have to agree by clicking on the I agree button. Bingo! Your Google account is created now. You can go to Gmail by clicking here. As I said, you can use all of the Google products using only one Google account and no need to create a new account every time. We will be discussing more about how you can use other Google products in my next videos. If you find this information useful, just press the like button. If you want to get notified about my upcoming videos, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you.